Hello, good
Hi
evening.
Anand, good evening. I'm sorry, I was trying to log into the meeting room, but I was not redirected to it. So I was trying from my laptop and from my phone. There was small issue. I apologize for the delay. I hope I didn't keep you waiting for too long.
No, no, no. It's okay,
Okay,
okay.
I'm
Thank you.
really sorry. I was just trying, like, from where will I connect now? Okay, so good to see you finally. How are you doing?
Okay. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. A couple of seconds ago, I wasn't doing really well, but now I'm fine. Now the session has started and calm. Yeah. I think we are
Yeah.
interacting for the first time, right, Anand?
Yes, it is first time.
Yes. So, can you please tell me a little
Yeah, it
about
is our
yourself?
first time.
Yeah.
Can you hear me properly? I think.
Yeah, I can hear
Yeah,
you.
of course, of
I
course.
can hear you.
Can you hear me properly?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you,
Totally
thank
fine.
you, thank you. Yes, my name is
Mm-hmm.
Anand. I'm teacher and a YouTuber.
Wow, that's great. So, you are a teacher and a YouTuber. What subject do you teach?
I teach so many subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, even English.
Mhm.
Under class 10th,
Okay.
okay. But I also
Okay.
teach the intermediate student who is in class 11th and 12th, just
Okay.
English.
Only English. You teach them English. Wow.
Yeah,
So I'm talking to
yeah,
an
only
English
English.
teacher. So I think I will also learn a lot from you today. Yeah.
Hmm. No, you can't learn anything from me right now. I'm learning spoken English.
I don't think so. I think we can learn from everyone. Even here at Clapping Go Right, when I'm talking to learners, they sometimes they come up with certain words or phrases that even I'm not aware of. I also get to learn from them. So it's a two-way process, I feel here.
Yeah, no, yeah, it is truth. It is the truth.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct? Yeah. Sometimes even we learn
Hmm.
from our students. Yeah.
Of course, we learn. And teaching is a one process which
Mm-hmm.
is more than teaching or learning. For me,
Mm-hmm.
especially, okay, while I'm teaching, it looks like I'm learning a lot from
Mm-hmm.
teaching because I have to pay attention to each and everything. I have to make my student understand.
Yes.
So what happens that I pick up so many new things
Mm-hmm.
while I'm teaching.
Yes, yes, same here. I completely identify with that. Okay, we pick up so many new things as you correctly mentioned. So you said you are even a YouTuber. So how did this idea germinate in your mind of, starting your own YouTube channel? Did you have an inspiration?
No, I didn't have inspiration. I think I was kind of person who wanted to be on social media platform. Okay, like I
Oh.
can express my opinion. I can talk with
Mm-hmm.
people. I
Mm-hmm.
can meet with people from all over the world and
Yes.
pe- people from all the cultures. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
Mm-hmm.
because of it, I started talking with people. I started
Mm-hmm.
uploading on my channel, and right now it is doing pretty well.
Wow, that's
It
good
has
for you.
56K subscribers.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, that's wonderful. I'm pretty sure you must be doing a great job then. I think I need to have a look at your YouTube channel. May I know the name of it, please?
Okay, okay, thank you. Yeah, my channel, yeah, English Finglish.
English Finglish. Is it with an
English
S?
Finglish, Fingli.
Okay, interesting name.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
how did you arrive at this name?
I was thinking about English. Learning English for me is
Mhm,
like fun. Okay, I have never been to English school. Okay, I have never been
mhm,
to in such an environment where I can
mhm,
learn English. But I was on my own. So I thought, okay, it's funny thing for me. So I the first name English and second
mhm,
English. And more than this, there is some part that I
mhm.
will reveal later on my channel why I'm keeping
Okay.
it English.
Okay, I will be
Because
waiting for
it's
that.
not only surprise for you. Lots of
Mhm,
my, yeah, yeah. Lots of my audience always
mhm,
comment to me, what does mean English? Okay, what does
mhm.
it mean English? So I have to, someday clarify what does mean.
Okay.
What does it mean?
Okay. So even I will be waiting for that. But I have to tell you, English Finglish, it's very catchy. It's a very catchy name. If somebody hears it for one time, they can't forget it easily. Yeah. So good job on the naming part of your channel. Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
So yes, how are your sessions on Clapping Go going on? I think this is your 63rd session.
Pretty well, pretty well.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, 50.
63rd, I
Yeah,
feel,
yeah.
because I can
I
see
think
that's
it is showing in your.
no. I get the
Oh,
document, right? In that the document number I
yeah,
see,
yeah,
and I
yeah.
just
I
made a guess.
remember, but I know that it will be.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah. So yes. So as you mentioned that you're a YouTuber, recently I watched a video. Okay, I watched a video of an Indian YouTuber, where she mentioned that uh, clicking on YouTube, okay, or getting many followers on YouTube, it depends more on luck rather than hard work. Okay, so what are your views on this? Do you agree with this?
I agree with both the thing. Okay, like
Mm-hmm.
it is not only that your luck. Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
more than luck, hard work
Mm-hmm.
and your passion. Okay? Like I
Yes.
remember those days. If I
Mm-hmm.
would have quit editing, okay, like it was looking like I should give up. I should not upload the videos.
Mm-hmm.
You're getting me, okay?
Yes. Yes.
So I wouldn't have such a huge followers, such a big number of
Yes.
followers right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I think
Yes.
yeah, it depends on luck as well. Okay, like if one or two of your videos is getting views, then
Mm-hmm.
after that you must keep working on it. You must
Yeah.
accelerate your
Mm-hmm.
work on YouTube. Yeah,
Yes.
that's a secret for me to grow on YouTube. But people say sometimes it's a luck factor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is luck factor as well. I believe in both
You believe in both.
hard work and luck as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. So if you had to put a number to it, okay, if you had to put a number to it, between hard work and luck, how much percentage would you give to hard work, and how much would you give to luck?
Oh, I think 50-50 for me. For
50
me.
50. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
So both are
And
equally
yeah,
important. Okay. Okay. Lovely.
equally important. Yeah.
Yes.
Because I have seen so many channels,
Mm-hmm.
they were doing good at beginning, okay, but they
Mm-hmm.
are not now there. And the reason is that they never, kept their pace on, okay,
Yes.
and because of it, they are they are not existing now. I mean, they are still there, but they have no
Mm-hmm.
audience.
Okay, so maybe the growth, it became stagnant. It's not increasing day by day. That's what you mean, yeah? Yes, yes,
Yes.
correct. Fair
Yeah, yeah.
enough. I agree with what you said. That's true. It happens now. So you have to be consistent. You have to keep coming up with new
Mm.
content every week.